Right now, Wall Street is obsessed with one thing. How many AI chips can NVIDIA produce? Everyone is looking at the silicon, but they are completely ignoring the actual choke point. You can print $1 trillion worth of advanced microchips, but you cannot print electricity. Here is the brutal reality. A single ChatGPT query requires nearly 10 times the electricity of a standard Google search. As the world races to build sovereign AI, our aging power grids are being pushed to the brink of collapse. Welcome to the EcoVantage report. Today we expose the hidden crisis that could halt the AI revolution overnight, and where the smart money is quietly moving to fix it. To understand the scale of this threat, you have to look inside the modern data center. These are no longer just server farms, they are energy vampires. A next-generation AI facility doesn't just need power to run the processors, it needs massive amounts of electricity just to stop the servers from melting down. Liquid cooling systems, massive industrial fans, 24/7 operations. In regions like Northern Virginia, the data center capital of the world, the local grid is already waving red flags. We are trying to plug a 21st century technological miracle into a 20th century electrical grid. And the math simply doesn't add up. Within the next 5 years, global AI energy demand is expected to double, potentially causing widespread blackouts and crippling infrastructure. But the titans of tech know this. They see the wall approaching. And this is exactly why the smartest money in the room is pivoting. Notice what the most powerful CEOs are doing right now. Sam Altman, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos. They aren't just investing in software anymore. They are pouring billions into energy, specifically nuclear energy. Tech giants are now signing unprecedented deals to buy entire nuclear power plants or funding SMRs, Small Modular Reactors, to bypass the public grid entirely. They are building their own private energy empires just to keep their AI models breathing. If you want to predict the future of tech, follow the megawatt, not the megabyte. So, what does this mean for the global economy and the astute investor? It means the AI boom is creating a secondary, massive supercycle in infrastructure. The next trillion-dollar companies might not be the ones writing the code. They will be the companies providing advanced liquid cooling, updating grid transformers, and delivering carbon-free baseload power. The AI arms race is no longer just about intelligence. It is a war for energy supremacy. Those who control the power will control the future of innovation. Make sure you are positioned on the right side of this geopolitical shift. Subscribe to the EcoVantage report for more deep dive analyses. And click the video on your screen right now to uncover the fatal flaw in the global semiconductor supply chain. Stay ahead and see you in the next report.